Freshdesk is a user-friendly customer support software. Here's a beginner's guide to get started. Sign up and log in. Visit Freshdesk and sign up for an account. Log in to access the dashboard. Set up your help desk. Go to Admin General Settings to configure your help desk settings. Customize your support email, add your company logo, and set up your support portal. Create ticket categories. Navigate to Admin Ticket Fields to define ticket types and fields. Categorize issues to streamline ticket management. Add agents. Go to Admin Agents to invite team members. Assign roles and configure their permissions. Set up automations. Under Admin Automations, create rules for ticket management, like assigning tickets automatically or sending notifications. Create knowledge base. Go to Solutions, Articles to create and manage FAQs and help articles for self-service support. Integrate apps. Use Admin Apps to connect Freshdesk with other tools. Monitor and analyze. Access reports to track ticket performance, agent productivity, and customer satisfaction.